Hey you guys, I want to show you another way to do an infused aloe vera oil. So what you're going to need is an aloe vera leaf, a knife, vitamin E oil, argan oil, peppermint oil, a strainer, a mason's jar, and that's it. So now we're just going to cut half of the aloe in two. Then we're going to take the pokey edges off of it. And you guys, you can use as much of the aloe as you want to do this. I just wanted to use the tip because it's always really difficult to scrape out the tip when you're trying to make other things with this aloe plant. So we're just going to cut off those pokey edges and literally just chop this aloe plant into a couple of small pieces. And after getting them into the small pieces, I put a cup of olive oil into a mason's jar and just allow this mixture to sit for about a month. The reason why we're going to use the vitamin E oil is because it helps as a preservative. So you guys, if you want to probably not have like an onion smell, you most definitely will need a preservative in this mixture so that it doesn't sour. But I just leave this in a very dark place like my cabinet, or some places really dark so that sunlight don't get to it. And once a month is up, you guys, the oil has more of a slimy texture like the aloe vera, and the aloe vera gets like more translucent as the days go by with the mixture just kind of sitting within itself. I do grab it every couple of days and give it a little mix up, like shake it around so that everything is still getting infused with the aloe. So I just shake it up every couple of days, you guys, just to make sure that that is taking place and it's just not all seeping down at the bottom. And I did use this within my first month, 2 months of me with my mini braids. So I absolutely love the texture of this oil after it sits. It does give it a different texture than cooking it on the stove, because I showed you guys a video of that. I will leave that down in the description box. But this gel, this aloe vera infused oil kind of feels more like a gel. So I'm just going to put that aloe vera in there. And you guys, the other oils, by preference, it depends on if you want smells or not. But this time I did not put those in there. But I am going to put the cap on there. Write the date of whatever day it is for you from a month, and this is the end result. So I hope you guys love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.